Imagine trying to back out of your driveway in the morning, shifting the lever, and absolutely nothing happens. The engine revs, but the car doesn't move an inch backwards. That sinking feeling is exactly what brings us to the P073E trouble code. This is a generic powertrain code, which means whether you're driving a Volkswagen, Audi, Nissan, Mazda, or a Ford, the underlying logic is pretty similar. Specifically, this code tells us the computer, known as the PCM, has detected that the automatic transmission is unable to engage reverse. Now, modern automatic transmissions are incredibly complex beasts. They rely on a transmission control module, or TCM, to monitor speeds, throttle input, and a dozen other variables to shift gears smoothly for you. When the TCM tries to command reverse and doesn't see the expected result, it flags this code to save the transmission from eating itself alive. This is a moderately high severity issue. Even if the car drives fine in drive, you do not want to ignore this. Continuing to drive with a transmission acting up like this could turn a repairable solenoid issue into a complete transmission rebuild, costing you a massive amount of money. You might notice symptoms like the vehicle feeling sluggish, refusing to go into other gears, making strange whining or grinding noises, or even leaking red fluid on your driveway. So, where do you start? Don't panic and tear the transmission out yet. Start with the basics. Check your automatic transmission fluid, or ATF. Find the dipstick if your car has one, start the engine, let it warm up, and check the level on a flat surface. You would be shocked at how often a simple lack of fluid, or dirty burnt fluid, causes the hydraulic pressure to drop, making it impossible to engage a gear. If the fluid is low, look for leaks underneath. If the fluid is fine, you need to inspect the TCM itself. Since it's often mounted right on the transmission, it is prone to water damage and corrosion. Check the connectors for any green crusties or broken pins. If all the wiring looks good and the fluid is clean, you might be dealing with a stuck shift solenoid inside the valve body, but ruling out the fluid and electrical connections is your absolute first priority before visiting a shop.